Today we are going to install the Photoshop. In this video series you will learn the Photoshop from basic to advanced. Let's install it first. Let's see how to install it. First you have to go to the Get Into PC website. Next what you have to do is search the Photoshop version that you want. You can type whatever the version. This is the same way how to install the Illustrator. Now I have searched and the search results have been came. Now you can see various types of versions here. You can now I'm going to install the 2019 one. Now you can see this. Now what you have to do is scroll down the page for the bottom. Now you can see download 64-bit. Click on it now and you will be redirected to the page. Now you can see the downloading has started. Now I'm not going to download this because I have this set up with me. Now let's see how to install it. Once you download it, there will be a zip file. Then you unzip the zip file and there will be files like this. Now I'm going to show you here. Just like this, there will be a setup file, right? What you have to do is double click on it. Then you will be able to install. Subscribe our channel, and next video will be the basic tutorials about Photoshop. Thank you.